Good morning. This is from Nigeria. My name is Ayuba Bulus Dawurung. Just to give you a feedback on the training on bioinformatics. In fact, the training was quite fine, interesting, educative. I had the privilege of knowing more about the genes, how to sort out genes, how to sort out genomes on the NCBI platform. More interesting for me is that how to develop a phylogenetic tree. I was able to see different types of phylogenetic tree. I was able to see, to know the number allocated to those phylogenetic trees. That shows the probability. The probability, which possibly the probability of 100%, less than, that is, it is actually unlikely. So the likelihood based on those numbering. So it was quite interesting. And the blasts, also I learned how to even maneuver the platform to be able to sort the genes and then the variants that are associated with each organism or the topic of discussion.